What's up, y'all? Levi here at RCT&D. Today we are out here with the Mojave 4S again. We're just going to give this thing a light little bash out here. It's cloudy, but it's like in the mid 50s right now, so we're just going to give this thing a little rip. Nothing too special. Already almost crashed it. So the last time I had this thing out was at the skate park. Jeez, that thing just rips. Loud. Oh. Can we recover? No. This thing is just loud, y'all. Oh, I found a little bit of water. Just glides. Uh-oh. Cut out there. Oh, are we in LVC already? That's weird. Looks like we just hit LVC. Maybe my battery wasn't charged? Just charged it though. That's interesting. Alright, well we'll have to assess that. Okay, well that was incredibly weird. I just plugged the battery in and it still had a lot of its power left. So not too sure what that was about. I think we ought to get some slow-mos of that, huh? Well guys, we were losing some daylight. It's getting pretty dark out here. That was a great one with the Mojave. Hope you enjoyed all that slow motion shots. Got this thing pretty muddy, but she's pretty clean now. So if you guys enjoyed that video, give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you have not already, and I'll see you all in the next episode. Peace.